Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Data Science JellyFish. So today is our fourth video in our Tableau for Beginners tutorials, where we're going to talk about how to create calculated fields. Now, if you need Tableau, feel free to go to tableau.com to sign up for a 2-week trial so that you can follow along with this tutorial. And we're going to use the sample database that Tableau provides for us when we download Tableau Desktop or we sign up for Tableau online. So we can look at the data source by clicking the data source tab down here, and it tells us all the different tables in our data source, as well as a preview of the columns and the column types and what that actually looks like in our data. So highly recommend that you always look and explore your data before proceeding. So now today, what if we want to create a calculated field or a measure that isn't already in our data set? So Tableau, once again, separates their variables by dimensions and measures, where dimensions are your categorical variables or your variables that you wouldn't perform mathematical operations on, like you wouldn't perform a mathematical operation on postal code, for instance. And they separate their continuous numeric variables in green. And that's normally denoted by a green hashtag sign. Okay. So in my orders table, I noticed that I have discount, profit, quantity, and sales. But what if I actually want something else, right? What if I want to increase my customer discounts by 1% now? So if we take a look at just the discount field, and let's add customers to this. So I'm going to add discount to text, and then I'm going to go up and add customer name to rows. And I see that the customers have different discounts depending on who they are and what type of businesses that they're running in my data set. So now that I know what that actual field looks like, say for instance, I want to increase the discount by 1% for all of my customers. So I'm going to go up here and I can either hit analysis and create calculated field, or I can hit this black drop down in my left-hand pane and click on create calculated field. And I'm just going to call this discount increase. And I'm just going to say discount, and then I'm going to multiply that by 1% because I want to give everybody a 1% discount. It says this calculation is valid. If your arrow is not expanding, you can also click this arrow and it'll give you a list of all the different functions that you can put inside your calculated field that's recognized by Tableau. So I'm going to hit OK. And so now what I'm going to do is I want to see if this actually worked for me, right? So I'm going to drag customer names to the rows again. I'm going to drag discount, and then I'm going to drag discount increase. And then under where it says automatic, I am going to actually go to show me and click this text bar. Okay. So now I see that this was our original discount, and let me go to standard and fit width so that we can see this spread out some. And for Aaron Bergman, his discount was 4%. The discount increase that he's now getting is this increase right there. Their discount was looking like it was 1%. Now they're getting 0.1% discount increase, and so forth and so forth. So it looks like that actual calculated field that I just created worked in my favor. So now what if I want to figure out what their total discount is? Now I have the discount, I have the discount increase. Now I want to add these two together, right, to get their total discount. So once again, let's hit this black arrow down, create calculated field, and I'm going to call this total discount. And from here, I'm going to say discount plus discount increase. I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm going to also drag that right here to where it says measure values. And now I see their total discount. Okay. So that's how I would go about creating a calculated field in Tableau if I need an additional measure that's not already original to my data set. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Data Science Jellyfish, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.